When I started four months ago, prior to boot camp, I didn't have the mindset that I could be responsible for running a seven-figure law firm. That, I wasn't capable of that. I wasn't wired that way. I didn't want to be a money grubber. I certainly don't want to have a seven-figure law firm so I can say, hey, I got a seven-figure law firm. But what I began to realize was I do have a skill set professionally. There's a huge need for what our firm does in our community. And by getting the word out to do that and providing the services that I want to and can build out, we're going to have that kind of revenue because we're doing the things we want to do. What I learned was how to put this together and do the things we want to do so that it will lead to that kind of revenue. And that was the mindset shift for me, is we can grow this. We now have a path. I don't have to invent how to get from where I am to the person that has 4 different departments and a seven-figure revenue. How to manage is good. I can now latch on to the how to manage teaching and implement something that I don't have to invent the wheel on and get to that level. When I did the How to Manage Boot Camp, it was actually the 3rd different type of practice management program that I've been involved in. But I had been toying with the idea, was I going to maintain the level that I was at, happy with $300,000 or so of revenue, and just keep doing that. And then I began to wonder if really serving my community meant that I needed to allow my firm to grow. And as I was exploring that, I came across a lot of material by Arjan about growing firms and the different stages of firms and how to get from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 in terms of the staging that How to Manage describes. I wanted to find out through the boot camp, was it something that was going to resonate with me and that I could implement and grow my firm with? That's why I made the decision to do boot camp, because it's also, it's a big time commitment as well as financial. But the techniques and the energy from the boot camp made me understand that I needed to dive in to the How to Manage and start working on implementing the systems so I can grow a team that is going to serve our clients in the way that really gives us great meaning and professional satisfaction. Since then, our run rate's gone up to, instead of 25 a month, to close to 40 a month, just by implementing some of the things that we learned in boot camp and also just during Small Law Firm University. We're on track this year to hopefully do $500,000. I started doing estate planning on a flat fee basis, and that really changed my life. I became an attorney who actually enjoys what he does for a living. I like going to work, I like my team, and with How to Manage, I know that we now have the resources to take our team to the next level and continue to grow my practice and serve our community. The boot camp experience that I had with Justin and then the Small Law Firm University experience with Jessica, what I began to understand is that How to Manage has built a team of people that are truly invested in helping their clients, and we're their clients. They want to see us grow. They don't have the mindset that they want us to grow so that Arjan will make more money. They want us to be fulfilled in our businesses and our practices, and they've done it over and over and over. They know that it works, and so they're highly motivated to help keep me accountable and on task to implement the things that Small Law Firm University teaches. So, when you're thinking about engaging an expert in something that you need service on, something you want to accomplish that you don't know how to do, I think the best analogy, especially in what we do in estate planning, you can get a will at LegalZoom. That's not an expert will. When I'm talking to clients about the difference between working with us or having a LegalZoom will, I know that we're the experts in estate planning. I am not an expert at growing a law firm. How to Manage is an expert at growing a law firm. They've got a proven track record. I studied that track record and I saw that, hey, if you do it and you do it the way they say do it, I saw study after study of individuals that got it done in all areas of practice. In response to trying to figure out, is this for me? Is it going to work for me? You really just need to, or for me, what I did was make a decision that I wanted to serve clients, and that required the ability to expand what I do, and I was very scared on how to do that. But now I have people that can guide me on the steps I need to take to grow.